How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron back at it with another Jeep video. Today we're going to be installing the Rugged Ridge door entry guards for the Jeep Wrangler JK 2007 through 2018. It's for the JK models. As you guys can see, I have the 4-door because I actually got these for free when I bought my JW speaker taillights off of someone. So obviously I'm not going to be using the other 2 doors, but I am going to be using the front 2 doors, obviously. So all you're going to need for stuff to get it installed is some alcohol wipes, just to clean off the door sills so they have a nice good way to stick to the door jamb. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, and it's going to actually install right on this piece of the door jamb here, where that nut is right there. There's actually a little indents to go over that. I'll show you how it installs really easily. So this is it, Rugged Ridge door entry guards. Has some 3M tape for double backing and whatnot. And pretty much just so I can show you guys, this piece is going to go right up to this trim end piece right here, and the nut should be under that. So if you guys look at it like that, that's what the final product's going to look like. So let's clean up the surface and get them stuck on. So like I said, we're just going to use one of our alcohol wipes, tear it open, and just slightly clean the surface of where everything's going to be mounting to. I want to be nice and clean so it'll stick just fine and get any dirt out that's on the paint, just so it has a nice surface to adhere to. And I'll just do around this bolt as well, just because it will go over it. Just like that. And then you're going to obviously want that to dry for about a minute or so. So yeah, we're going to let that dry, then we're going to get it installed. Okay, and like I said, these are side specific, so wherever is in the top left, that's going to be the driver's side, and then the top right is going to be the passenger side. So all you're going to want to do, just peel off this red backing to the 3M double-sided tape. Peel that off, throw that in there, and then this little piece in this channel here. Oh. And then, like I said, this piece right here, you're going to want to line up with this piece of trim right here. And then just press firmly so it sticks. Just applying pressure so it won't come off, hopefully. And yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll show you on the other side. The reason for these is to protect scratches and scuffs of the paint, because you don't really realize how much your feet touch this area. It's very prone to getting chips and scratches and whatnot. So these are cheap, like 30, I think like 35, 40 bucks for these, for the 4-door, and probably around like 30 for the 2-door. So like I said, I got mine for free, so I'm not complaining. But I'm gonna get the other side installed, and yeah, I'll wrap up the video. So yeah, as you guys can see, I installed it on the passenger side as well. It honestly takes not even like 5 minutes to install, just cleaning the surface and sticking them on. Super simple to install, and it gives the Jeep a pretty good look to it. So hope you all enjoyed. Leave a like if you liked this video, subscribe for more Jeep Wrangler JK videos, and comment what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you all next time.